¿Qué onda, amigos? Estamos por aquí por la Deportiva. Como vieron, plebes, en el título del video, se dejaron venir la gente de Guamúchil y Guasave. Estamos con mi compa Jonathan Gutiérrez. Así que le vamos a grabar un bike check, porque yo se lo prometí. Le dije que se lo iba a grabar y algunos clipsitos. Así que tenía pensado ir para allá, pero como ellos vinieron, nos ganaron el jalón, entonces pues se lo voy a grabar aquí. Y nada mejor que en este parque, para que se jalen algunos truquitos chilos. Y después estaremos grabando un clip con toda la gente de compa El Second, mi compa César de The Crazy Dudes. Ahí nomás. Así que empecemos con esto, amigos.
Vamos a empezar por unos puños BSD que aquí traigo. Unos puños. Traigo en un bar, traigo un BG 925. Traigo un poste de CNC Cool Front. Mis valeros de headset son Neko. Traigo una horquilla, un horquillo RAM. Traigo con una masa Merritt, con el curemasa izquierdo Merritt y el derecho G-Sport. Los Diablos, la verdad no sé qué marca sea, pero pues me han salido buenos, no les he hecho nada. Traigo un cuadro BG Asteroide 2020. Traigo un asiento Sando, pero lo mandé a tapizar con una esponja de uno primo. Poste pivotal Mission. Traigo un centro Hyper con pedales S&M One de One. Traigo una estrella Fiat de 25 tiempos. Mi llanta delantera es Hunter, que era por mientras y quedó para siempre, igual que el centro. Traigo una llanta trasera Cool con aro Flyby y el aro adelante es Alienation 440. Traigo del lado derecho un PEG Subrosa. Acá está el PEG Subrosa. Traigo un curamasa de aluminio de Madden House y el de plástico es BG. Una masa Primo Remix V2 de 8 tiempos. ¿Y qué le hace falta?
Pues los puños ya los dijiste, ¿no?
Sí, fue lo primero.
Ah, ok. No, pues entonces yo creo que sería todo, ¿no?
Simón.
Bueno, amigos, entonces yo creo que este sería todo su bike check. Así que les vamos a dejar unas tomas épicas de la bike y de ahí algunos clips para que vean el nivel que trae este chaval, que la verdad no tiene ni el año que empezó a dar y ya está bien rifado. Así que vamos a darle.
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. And a bitch nigga will play you for a thought. Ain't no style watch, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in out the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot. Watch me see him twirl, then he drop. Gotta cut the limo just to cut the top. They be like, geez, why you always hot? 2019, we shooting videos on yachts. Baby on the bike, we doing 12 o'clock. And I'm clipping on you niggas like a dreadlock. And my team winning and we ain't gon' stop. Bad little cheese and she suck, oh my god. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. And I know you wonder when GC going under. You can never see me, I'll call you Stevie Wonder. Neck so cold, it gon' probably make you stutter. A nigga like me, I don't know no other. When you on top, niggas quick to call you brother. And they be the same niggas be undercover. I keep a lethal weapon like my name, Danny Glover. Why you niggas always hate? Always talk shit, never say it to your face. Two bad bitches and they want a little taste. They sent me in the jungle with gorillas and A's. Niggas wanna ride my way, I haven't dropped a tape. You don't like my music, but you can't escape. Especially when they play my shit in every state. I always
Rexo. HG, you already know we coming, man. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyer than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag, and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed, cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whippy, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyer than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip.
Y bueno amigos, por aquí vamos a finalizar el video. No olviden suscribirse y darle like, activar la campanita. Ese ha sido el buy check de mi compa.
Como decía en Instagram.
Síganlo en Instagram. Y les...